sa aking man, hindi ko pa nahalikan. When the night has come, oh yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. Lumalabas, pananganan sa papilagin ko ako ay inaya. Inom daw kami at siya ang taya, kaya't kaming dalawa uminom na sa dilim. Ayokong mabuhay na malungkot. Awang nagpapagod. Kabilog na naman ang buwan. Mga lalaki, sindi-sindi sa sandalog ng buwan. Bikini-bilog na naman ang buwan. Kabilog na naman buwan. Nabasin na ang kalukuhan. Huwag na yung pipigilan pa. Lumalabas, pananganan sa kapiagriatik ko ako ay inaya. Lumalabas, banyang stand by me. Oh, stand by me. O madalas lumalabas banyong peace. Pag kami nagtatawanan at nagkwekwentuhan at doon sa sopa kami ay naglalampungan at inaw. Para kung nasa Ropong G, inangay niya ang umagat. Sabi niya isa doon sa kanyang kama kami ay nahiga. Ako ay nagulat at ako'y nabigla. Ako'y nanginginig, pawis na pawis. Tinuso ko, pinaso ko, the boy, walang dapis. Kaya ang sabi sa akin, Marco, sige pa. Tumagilid, tumiyaya, lumuhod at dumapa. Matapos na kami, ang sabi niya, Chef, isa pa nga! The night has come. Oh yeah! At pinatay ang ilaw. Umadalas, lumot at lumalabas. Bag na gatas.
She's walked through the fire, she's danced in the rain, seen the highs and the lows, felt the pleasure and pain. Years have graced her with wisdom, a heart full of gold. Now she's shining brighter, her story unfolds. She's not just a beauty, she's a force to behold. With every year that passes, her legend grows bold. Old but gold, she's a diamond in the night. Strong and untold, she's the one who gets it right. She's got the charm to breathe the fire in her soul. Old but gold, yeah, she's in control. She's got the
Hey, what's up mga dog? Happy New Year! Another vlog. January 1, 2025 na! So, kakagising lang din. Katapos lang din magkain. So, we decided na mag-out saglit. Kaya magngita mi og coffee shop na makapihan. Tapos, mangita og ice cream. Because we want to eat ice cream. Medyo malat-malat pa. Pagod masyado from Christmas to New Year. Good thing kay hindi hangover today. Then, update ako later. Bye-bye! So, it's night time. Lalabas pa lang. January 1, 2025.
strong and untold, she's the one who gets it right. She's got the charm to breathe the fire in her soul. Old but gold, yeah, she's in control. Young hearts look up to her, they wanna be her someday. A beacon of confidence, she's leading a beacon of confidence, she's leading the way. With every laugh line and every grace strand, she's more than a woman, she's a legend in the land. Bold but gold, she's a diamond in the night. Strong and untold.
Hey Google, lights on. Hey Google, lights on. Hello mga dog, January 4, 2025. Here ako sa Albal Stopover, nag-coffee. Then after nito mag-coffee na naman ako sa Nikos. Update later na lang.
She's the one who gets it right. She's got the charm to breathe the fire in her soul. Old but gold, yeah, she's in control. Old but gold, her, she's in control. Old but gold, she's timeless, she's divine. In a world of fleeting moments, she's the one who shines.
Hello mga dog, here at Albal Plaza. Some sizzling platter. Kapresh na ko.
With grace and with power, she takes on the world. Old but gold, her store. Old but gold, her story's never old.
Hello, hey, what's up mga dog? It's my birthday today, January 6, 2025, Monday. Good start para mag-study this 2025. And I am studying the molecular biology.
Reactivity. So in other words, simple hydrocarbon structure is going to be inert, right? It's not going to be very reactive. But you can add to one of the areas something else, like a hydroxyl group, which will create an alcohol or an aldehyde, which will make a
update, another vlog for tomorrow. Medyo sabog pa karon. Medyo wala sa mood mag-study but pinipilit kasi first Monday of January of 2025 para chill. By the way, I'm still using the Pomodoro technique. Modified, ginawa ko na lang yung parang mas makakapag-focus ako. Hindi ko yun sinunod yung 25-5, then after power cycles, 15 minutes rest. Ginawa ko 50-50, then 10 minutes rest, then 45, and so on.
And that is the importance, essentially, of your hydrogen bonding. It's responsible for many properties of water, including that.
Hello mga dok, good morning. As you can see, I'm so very haggard na and I don't care. Nag-start ako gabi 7 p.m. in the evening. Tapos, anong oras na ngayon? It's 8:42 in the morning. Kakatapos ko lang din kumain. After nito, nag-watch lang ako ng medical school vlogs. Then after, matutulog na. Then skincare. Good night!
We are done for today, and thankfully, Mr. Environment and Evans for Physiology and Biochem, even though I was not expecting much because we just crammed everything, like last night and kanina for our Biochem. But we passed, but my week is far from over. Kasi on Thursday, I'm still gonna be taking my Evans for Physiology, and then on Friday,
Finally, nakahiga na din. Later ulit. Bye-bye! Hello mga dok, good morning. Pero night na. Time is 11:15 p.m. January 7, 2025. Kakatapos ko lang maligo. Then, here na ako sa study table. Then, I'll update soon. Bye! Hello mga dok. Rest time for 10 minutes. Nagka-rest kay I'm using Pomodoro. One thing I love Pomodoro is natatrack mo yung focus time mo at saka yung rest time mo. Mag-alarm lang yan siya after ng, for example, kanina nag-focus ako 15 minutes. Then, after ng 15 minutes, rest ko 10 minutes. That's why naka-rest ako ngayon. Then, pag mag-alarm na naman yan, is 45 minutes na naman na focus. Then, 15 minutes na naman na rest. Okay, para dili sa kayo exhausted. Update later, bye! Hello, good morning mga doc. Grabe, ginakulbaan ko kaya nag-post na ang MSU College of Medicine sa ilang application. Ongoing ang application, nagadawat na sila. Wala ko kabalo, happy kaayo ko ang ginakulbaan. So karon kay i-prepare na nako, magpasa na ko og application online. Then after ko mag-email sila kay ipasa na nako dito mismo sa campus ang ako ang mga requirements. Ready naman last year pa. So update ko karon maon ilang post, i-post na ako dire. Bye. Hello, good morning mga doc. Kakatapos ko lang mag-study, so I'm now applying to apply na for my med school sa Mindanao State University. And ito na yung application, i-scan ko na lang. And after that, mag-fill up na ako. Grabe, ginakulbaan ko, basta mixed emotion, dili ko kabalon sa kong buhaton. Sure nagit ko sa kuang sudlan. Like what? All of my life ganito na ako mag-study tapos halos walang tulog. Pero laban tayo, kakayanin natin to. Walang sukuan hanggang sa dulo. Get that MD. Bye, update. Hey, what's up mga dog? Good morning. Kakatapos ko lang din nagpasa ng application through online. Then after na lang yan, is baka bukas pupunta ako ng MSU, College of Medicine. Nagpagupit na din ako para meet pag pasa ng mga papers bukas din. Yung mga papers ko, naka-prepare na lahat, ipapasa ko na lang. Yun lang muna update, matutulog muna ako kasi mga 16 hours na akong gising. Good night, bye-bye!
At different rates in different parts of that microturbule from the plus to the minus end, causing it to
Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? I might lose my mind.
Hello, what's up mga dok? Pato na ako sa MSU, College of Medicine, kaya magpasa na ako sa akong mga papers. Ready na sila tanan. Grabe ka na baan ko. Bahala na, basta Lord i-guide ko. Update ako later, bye-bye. January 10, 2025, unang araw na pagtupad ng aking mga pangarap para maging doktor.
Waking when the sun's down, riding all these highs, waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me, I'm doing decently, just glad that I can breathe. Yeah, I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my...
Yung mga doc here at Chanina, tapos na ako magpunta sa medicine sa MSU. Pero hindi pa nila tanggapin yung application na hard copy kasi sa online ako na-download. Update na lang sila. Kain mo na ako, then punta ako sa sige mag-back.
Imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Ain't got much to do. Too old for my hometown. Went to bed at noon.
Hello mga dog, what's up? Here at Oval Plaza. Magkaon kami og sipot pero pagkabutan mo close na siguro mag-close na ni ang Oval kay tapos naman gudang Paskuhan sa Jensen tapos siguro magbalik sila mga February. Ningon na diri. So magkaon na lang tag chicken kinasal. Bye! So sad cause we're expecting seafood but we end up into chicken. Pero okay lang. Thankful pa rin dahil may nakain. Coffee shop later. Bye!
I've been running from it, tired of running from it, scared of feeling something. Now I'm stuck here trying to get up out of this hole.
Couldn't put my phone down, scrolling patiently. It's all the same to me, just faces on a screen. Yeah, I'm trying to realize.
Hello mga doc here at Nico's Brew. Nabitin sa kape kanina. And the night here.
It's alright to not be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
Hello, good evening. Chit-chat dito, chit-chat na muna. Paadtong mi karon sa while naga-prepare ko sa akong snack. Paadtong mi karon sa Oval Plaza kay magkaon mi og seafood. Then after mag-Oval Plaza, mag-adto mi sa Overdose Coffee dito sa Robinson.
Then after sa Robinson, kaya mag-ato sa Nikos Brew. Bali, mag-chill lang tonight. Kakatapos ko lang din nag-study. Then, humanapod ko ano to, ang gibuhat gani. Humanap ko na-lecture sa anatomy, and then gahapon kaya nagpasa ko ulit application sa Mindanao State University College of Medicine kay ambot noon sa ilang form kay walay TOR, tapos nag-email dahil me na kailangan din magpasa og TOR, so nag-re-apply. Ito yung waiting na lang po makakasunod ko sa MSU, makapasok kay gusto ginawa ko sa Mindanao State University College of Medicine kay taga diri naman ko sa Jensen nya na diri akong parents, so wala na ko adjustment buhaton nya na po ko apartment diri kunya diri pod sa apartment ako kay well adjusted na ko, so bisag sa dili na ko malisod dan dili na ko makapwede na ko mag-cram kay kabalo ko sa pasikot-sikot sa life here at General Santos City, Malakas while living alone. So I'm using the Aina Pond's Serum Day Cream kay para sa ako ang face, para moisturize lang siya. Wala man ako ginabutang. Then Maxi Peel Concealer, mura pod lamay lang kaayo gyud. Ipat-pat ko lang yan siya. By the way, share lang din ako, grabe, mga 3 days nagasakit akong ulo. Feel na ako, nagtaas na ako ang grado. So, if ever kung may kwarta, mga 7 months to 8 months na akong eyeglass, feel ko talaga nagtaas na akong grado kaya sakit na gid akong ulo. Kung magka-kwarta, kaya magpa-check up na ko. Kung if ever kung magtaas man akong grado, magpa-change na ko og spec sa Sunny Studio. Eh, para maanahan dahil dili mo basi-bas magmad ako pag kayo ako ang grado. Isod mo. Then after that, mag-order lang po. Order.
Ooh, 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 yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Ooh, yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
Next stop sa Overdose Robinson. See ya! Coffee time! Dok. Good evening. As you can see, nakaayos tayo ngayon. And date pala is January 16, 2025. As you can see, nakaayos tayo ngayon. Tapos, tignan nyo, bago yung eyeglass ko. Kakagaling ko lang pala sa Sunny Studios kanina. Din nagpa-check up. Din nagpapalit ako ng grado ng mata. Tsaka bago to lahat. Kasi nagtaas na yung grade ng mata ko, masakit na yung ulo ko, kaya ipa-check ko na din yun. Mataas na yung grade ng mata ko, 75 and then 50. Dati is 50 and 25 lang ito. So for the vlog, I will post the link down below. Check nyo na lang. And now, pa-add to ko karon sa sa massage pa, kaya magpa-massage ko para relax. Tapos bukas mag-start ang study kay break time ko ngayon. Bye muna for now. Amping! Good evening mga Dok. Date is January 29, 2000 January 13 okay. Thursday, alas 12:42 na. I'm having lectures right now about pharmacology and medicine, and yun lang yung update.